In this video, I'll show you how to create your first GitHub account. GitHub is a platform where you can store code, manage projects, collaborate with other developers, and build a portfolio of your work. Whether you are learning programming, applying for tech jobs, or working on open source projects, creating a GitHub account is a great first step. First, open your browser and go to GitHub. On the home page, click Sign Up. GitHub will ask you to enter your email address. Use an email you can access because you may need it to verify your account. Next, create a secure password. Try to use a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. After that, choose a username. Your username will be part of your GitHub profile link, so pick something simple, professional, and easy to remember. GitHub may ask if you want to receive product updates by email. Choose your preference, then continue. You may also need to complete a quick verification step to confirm that you are not a bot. After that, GitHub will send a verification code or confirmation email. Open your email inbox, find the message from GitHub, and follow the instructions to verify your account. Once your account is verified, GitHub may ask a few setup questions, such as your experience level or what you plan to use GitHub for. You can answer them or skip some steps if available. Now your GitHub account is ready. Before you start using it, add a profile picture, write a short bio, and include any useful links, such as your portfolio or LinkedIn profile. From there, you can create your first repository, upload projects, follow other developers, and begin building your coding profile. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.